Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge, and today we're having a very good day. We see the dollar making lower lows again, very good. And we see the rest reacting to that. The Nasdaq going up, S&P 500 going up, gold going up. So very good day. We've been talking about that this channel for a while already. We want the dollar to go down so the rest can go up. So we broke this support over here, this trend line, and yeah, well, we made a lower high as well, in my opinion, since this was the previous one. Going to the weekly, we see this couple-year trend line, and we made a bearish retest on it, which is very bearish. So we just want lower lows now. Take a look at the S&P 500 going up on dollar weakness, broke out of this trend line as well. We can connect it in a couple ways, but we see a couple. Yeah, they broke out of it here, did some retests and going up again. Very good. Soon to new all-time highs or tapping it. This could be a little resistance in my opinion, a little top over there, but looking very good. Bitcoin, we can see negative funding, usually good place to buy. Yeah, that's about it what I wanted to tell you guys. I saw this pattern. We have a lot of action on this line. Bottoms over here 2 times, and top over there. So we are touching this one again. Worst case scenario for me would be doing something like this. I'm still very bullish, but I think we will go straight up from here all the way to last year's high, in my opinion, like this. And in my opinion, we are making the exact same pattern over here. So let me draw this correctly. Something like this. If we include these stops, we are right at the trend line right now, or breaking through it in the process. So we're kind of having double resistance, this trend line over here and this one over here. But we also broke this one the other day. So I am very bullish. Yeah, I drew the same kind of thing I just drew over there. Profit for me will be taken at 13.7, just below the last year's high. And why are we that bullish still? That is because we broke this line. So we are very bullish. And also bullish because the dollar broke down this trend line. Funding's still relatively low, completely flat in my opinion. Deribit has a different system of doing their funding. Not sure how that works. I believe they're doing it every hour. Not sure. Not really paying attention to that. Mostly paying attention to Bitmex. It is losing its first place still, yeah, it's about to lose their first place, but Bitmex used to be the highest in open interest. Others are catching up, but others have been accused of wash trading, fake trading. Taking a look at Ethereum, we see Ethereum exactly on last year's high over here. Exactly this spot, 360. But they did break two really big trend lines. They broke this one from the top, couple touches on it over here, and this trend line, big touch in it over here, and over here. So Ethereum looking very good. They touched this level. If you zoom in a little bit more, they touched this exact level a couple of times. Over here it was many times the bottom, and you can see a lot of action on exactly last year's high. Support over here, and tops over there. So and basically right now they're making a triple top, and that's weak. That was what 10.9 9 was for Bitcoin, I would say. So I expect Ethereum to, if it breaks, which I think it does, go quickly through 490 or 400. 400 playing a big role as well. If you use the top a little bit more, it's 400. Next up would be 440. After that, yearly top. So I think it's still a good position to long some Ethereum over here. If you play with some leverage, make sure you use one of the ref links in the video description. They're also on my Twitter. You get some additional discounts using one of these links, and you want those discounts because paying fees, trading fees, won't get you any money. So you want a discount. Anyway, possible trade for Ethereum. Ethereum BTC looking very strong as well. We had this big wedge over here and they broke really good out of it. Right now resistance would be, in my opinion, this high over here, but we broke the trend line. But real confirmation would be breaking this one. Right now I think it's safe to long it yet, as long as they stay above this trend line. Can zoom out a little bit. Ethereum BTC looking very, very good. Completely broke the downtrend. You could see it as an inverse head and shoulders right now. Shoulder over here, head, and shoulder this part, I would say, or this part. Equal highs over here. So it would be more than logical that Ethereum BTC had to make a retest over here. Link USD broke out of a nice trend line over here. Really nice. They were in somewhat of a downward channel, you can see over here. Very nice. It's just about walking the stairs right now. We can draw some horizontal resistances and supports over here, this line, but you could also place it over here. Aligns perfectly with these lows over here and these tops. Same counts for this area, I would say. Tops, bottoms over on it over there, and tops on it over here. You just want as many as possible action on a line. That's when you know it is valid. Also, you can use the VPVR, the volume per range indicator. Bond USD broke out of this really nice trend line as well. They were in a downward channel as well, channel, wedge, whatever. Looking very good. Resistance is up ahead. Really broke this one as well. This is a place to take some profit if you're long, or long the retest over here, but I think it's a good long, all the way to $8.50. Just always take a little bit of profit just below it. So bond looking very good. Let's take a look on the 4 hour. Yeah, looking very good. Probably going over here, and next spot would be, we can just walk the stairs, you know, that spot, and here the double top. Monero looking very good as well. If you were long, maybe take a little bit of profit now, but as soon as they break this level, they go up by a lot. Can draw some resistances. This is a really nice line. Some action out over here, some action out over there, some bottoms on it over here. So really good level is $150 as well. Take a look at Wi-Fi, however you want to call it, broke out of this really nice downward wedge as well, falling wedge. Yeah, at resistance right now, tapping this low, but as soon as they break it, I would suspect they would go over here. So Wi-Fi looking very, very good. SXP broke this smaller trend line as well, not looking as good as the rest, is on some horizontal resistances here as well. And yeah, the big resistance is over here, shown by the VPVR. I mean, it's still not good. They need to break this trend line over here, then we can talk again. Like I said, funding's still very good. We have still a lot of upside in my opinion. Deribit completely changed again. I'm not sure how they do their fundings. Take a look at the premium on Bitfinex versus Coinbase. $20 premium is slightly bearish, meaning there's not a lot of new fiat coming into it. Private persons fiat. They mostly on-ramp on Coinbase and such, and Finex is like a whale heaven and they use Stater. So yeah, very bullish, mainly because the dollar is bottoming or broke down. Could be a little bottom now, so could see some relief for the dollar and some correction for the rest, but I'm very much bullish. Bitcoin on a daily looks very good, but we can clearly see with the bare eye there's resistance over here, like at exact this moment. So yeah, that's about it for today, guys. Please let me know what you think in the comments. Like, did you like my charts? Do you want to see me doing something different in the videos? If there's anything I can do, please let me know. Always happy to listen. And yeah, make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment, and let me know what you think. See you guys again tomorrow.